Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular kitchen gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to show you just how easy it is to cook air fryer frozen curly fries. Before we dive into this recipe, please note that we've got 1200 plus more kitchen gadget recipes over at RecipeThis.com, including recipes for the air fryer, instant pot, slow cooker, soup maker, bread maker and many others. And these are the big bag of curly fries that we're using. You can use RBs if you prefer, depending on where you live. We're in the UK, so we're using Iceland. And then a pair of scissors does the best job, because then it's easy to put a peg on them and save some for later if you don't eat them all now. Then you can just load them up in your air fryer basket. I recommend that kind of portion size, maybe a few little bits in the gaps. And that's perfect for the size that you want to be air frying. And then place it in. Turn it on. It's already set to 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit, which is the temperature we want. And then press it, oops. I find it quite flimsy, this. And it's very easy to press the wrong thing. So then for the time, you go for 12 minutes to start with. So that's 180 Celsius, 12 minutes, and then we'll come back and check on them. And we've beat. So this is what the curly fries look like so far. And normally what I do is I go by noise. So you can hear the crispiness of them as you shake them in the air fry basket. But I like mine a little more crispier. So what I suggest you do is spray with some extra virgin olive oil. This will help crisp them up a little bit more. And then we're just going to put them on for an extra 2 minutes, but we're going to put the temperature right up to 200 Celsius, that's 400 Fahrenheit, and then the cook time down, all the way down to 2 minutes, and then they'll be done. And we've beat. And wow, there you have it. Absolutely perfect air fryer curly fries. Well, curly fries have always taken me back to bar food, and I've always loved them as that lovely snack to have when you're eating out at a British restaurant. And these ones are absolutely amazing in the air fryer, and the crisp on them is fantastic. And they taste good too, which is an important thing. And you can also use the air fryer to reheat them as well. If you've got some left over that need reheating, 4 minutes, 160, 320F, and you're good to go. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter, where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen, and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.